Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove blur from lock screen in Android. So if your Android lock screen is blurry, it's likely due to a settings that applies blur effects to wallpapers or notifications. And this is how you can fix it. The first method, you can just disable the lock screen blur in wallpaper settings. So for devices with built-in blur effect on wallpapers, you can just go to settings and in here find the wallpaper settings. On my device it is called lock screen and wallpaper, and then you can just go find the lock screen settings. And in here, if there's any built-in blur effect, you can see it from here, but there's no blur effect on mine. Or you can also click on the search bar on settings and then find the options blur like this. There's only blur recent apps, so you can just deactivate or disable the blur effect or wallpaper zoom or blur in your lock screen. So some devices like Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi may have this under home screen and lock screen. You can just find it based on your device or the device that you use. The second method, you can change the lock screen wallpaper. So for devices that apply automatic blur to certain wallpapers, you can just open settings and then wallpaper here, lock screen and wallpaper. And then you can just tap on change wallpaper and choose a different high quality image. Here, for example, I'm going to just go with lock screen setting. You can click on the custom lock screen. So this is my current lock screen. You can change it, or you can just find this one. You can click on wallpaper. For example, I'm going to find one on my gallery. So in here you can just find the one with the high quality image. Let's say this one, this one's right here, let's say. And then you can just set it as lock screen wallpaper and you can check if the blur is gone. The next method that you can do is disable the dynamic blur in developer settings. So you can enable the developer settings on your phone. Find the about phone and go to the software information and tap 7 times on the build number, this one. Okay, you can see I'm one step away from being a developer. Now here you need to enter your lock screen PIN or password. So once you are on the developer settings, here you can go to the system and find the developer options and you can disable the HW overlay or reduce motions on blur. So you can just find it in here, the HW overlays, this one. So you can just toggle it on to disable the lock screen blur effect, this one. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.